Hello friends, in Maths chapter 4 determinant, we will study the area of triangle using determinant. So area of triangle using determinant. So in 10th standard we have studied the formula area of triangle, that is 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2, y1 minus y2. So this formula also can be written as 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y3 minus x2 y1 minus y3 and x3 y1 minus y2. So this format we can write 1 by 2 x1 1 y2 1 y3 1 minus x2 y1 1 y3 1 and x3 y1 1 y2 1. And so this gives us the expansion of 1 by 2 x1 y1 1 x2 y2 x1 x2 x3 y1 y2 y3 and 1 1 1 like this way. And so also this we can write, we change the row into the column, then we can write x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 x3 y3 1. And so area of triangle with the determinant we can write formula 1 by 2 into x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 x3 y3 1. Now one more thing, always area we take as the positive value. So if we determinant expansion we get negative answer or positive answer, we will take absolute value only, means if minus answer we are getting, then we will remove the sign and we will take a positive value only. But suppose area of triangle is given and we want to solve the determinant and find out some variable, then we will use both the plus or minus value and now we know that the 3 points are collinear, they will not form a triangle, and so its area is 0. So whenever we will get the area of triangle 0, we will say that these 3 points are collinear. So let's see the exercise 4.3 using determinant find the area. So first question is that find the area of triangle whose vertices are 1 0, 6 0 and 4 3. So now we know that area of triangle equals to 1 by 2 x1 y1 1 x1 y1 1 means 1 0 1 6 0 1 and 4 3 1. So 1 by 2 we expand it, then 1 0 minus 3 minus 0 into 6 minus 4 plus 1 into 18 minus 0. And so it will be 1 by 2 1 into minus 3 minus 0 into minus 2 plus 1 into 18. So here we get 1 by 2 minus 3 minus 0 means nothing plus 18. So 18 minus 3 is 15 by 2. The second question we have 2 7 1 1 and 10. So again area we calculate. So area of triangle equals to, we have 1 by 2, 2, 7, 1, 1, 1, 1, 10, 8, 1. And so here we expand it, then 1 by 2, 2 into 1 minus 8, minus 7 into 1 minus 10, plus 1 into 8 minus 10. So it will be 1 by 2, 2 into minus 7, minus 14, minus 7 into minus 9, that will be plus 63, and plus 1 into minus 2, that is minus 2. So 63 minus 2, 61, 61 minus 14, so it is 47, and so 1 by 2 into 47, that is 47 by 2. Now the third point is given, third question is given, minus 2 minus 3, 3 2 and minus 1 minus 8. So area of triangle we can find out that 1 by 2 into minus 2 minus 3 1, 3 2 1 and minus 1 minus 8 into 1. So we simplify, then 1 by 2 minus 2 into 2 minus minus plus 8 minus into minus 3 plus 3, 3 minus minus plus 1 and plus 1 into minus 24 plus 2, and so 1 by 2, 10 minus 2 minus 20, 4 3s are 12, and here minus 22 into 1 minus 22. So minus 20 to 12, that is, so 1 by 2 into minus 20 minus 10, that is minus 30, and so it is minus 15, but area we will take always positive, and so area of triangle equals to this 15 square unit. Now we have a question to show that B plus C, B C plus A, and C A plus B are collinear. So these points we want to show collinear. Then here area we have to show that 0. So area of triangle ABC we take, then 1 by 2 A B plus C 1, B C plus A 1, C A plus B into 1. Okay. So here first column we add into the second column, or second column we add into the first column. Means C1 transform into C1 plus C2. We will get 1 by 2 A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C. Here B plus C, C plus A plus B, 1 1 1. So from the first column A plus B plus C we take out common, then 1 by 2 A plus B plus C, and here 1 1 1 B plus C, C plus A plus B, 1 1 1. Here C1 transform into 1 by A plus B plus C C1. Now we can see that two columns are equal, so it is 0, and so answer is 0. Reason is that C1 equals to C3 and area equals to 0. So these vertices, and therefore A, B, C are collinear. Now we are given the question 3, and area equals to 4, area of triangle equals to 4 square unit Then find the value of k. So first question is given k0, r0 and 0, 2. So now we know that area equals to for square unit. So 1 by 2 k01 401 021 equals to plus or minus 4, because we don't know whether answer is plus or minus, and so we have to take plus or minus 4. So 2 multiply this side, and with this we simplify, then k into 0 minus 2 plus 0 into 4 minus 1, sorry 0 plus 1 into 8 minus 0 equals to plus or minus 8. So minus 2k plus 0 plus 8 equals to plus or minus 8. And so here minus 2k equals to 8 plus 8 equals to 8, or minus 2k plus 8 equals to minus 8. So plus 8 will go the side, minus 2k equals to 0, so k equals to 0, and here minus 2k equals to minus 16, so k equals to 8. And so k possible values are 0 and 8. We are given the second question here. Same way, minus 2 0 0 4 and 0 k. So again with the same method we go, and it will be 1 by 2 minus 2 0 1 0 4 1 0 k 1 is equals to plus or minus 4. So 2 multiply that side, so minus 2 into 4 minus k plus 0 multiply 0 plus 1 multiply 0 equals to plus or minus 4. So we simplify here, and 2 multiply this side, so it will be minus 2 into 4 minus k. Now 0 into 0 minus 0. So 0 plus 1 into 0 minus 0. So 0 equals to plus or minus 8. And so minus 8 plus 2k equals to plus or minus 8. So minus 8 plus 2k equals to 8, or minus 8 plus 2k equals to minus 8. So minus 8, 2k equals to 16, so k equals to 8, and here 2k equals to 0, so k equals to 0, and so k2 possible values are 8 and 0. Now we have the question 4. Find the equation of line segment joining 1 2 and 3 6. Now the third point we don't know, so let Pxy be any point on AB. Well, A is 1 2 and B 3 6. So APB are collinear. And that is why area of APB, triangle APB equals to 0. So as area equals to 0, we can write 1 by 2 xy1 1 2 1 3 6 1 is equals to 0. And so x into 2 minus 6 minus y into 1 minus 3 plus 1 into 6 minus 6 is equals to 0. So minus 4x minus minus plus 2y is equals to 0. So 4x equals to 2y, and so it is x 2x is equals to y. That is the first equation. Now for the second question, it is given that the A is given 3 1 and B is given 9 3. So again same way, let Pxy be any point on AB, then APB are collinear. As they are collinear, area of APB will be 0. As area of APB equals to 0, we can write that xy1, 311 and 931 equals to 0. So x into 1 minus 3 minus y into 3 minus 9 plus 1 into 9 minus 9 equals to 0. And so x into minus 2 minus y into minus 6 plus 1 into 0 equals to 0. So minus 2x plus 6y equals to 0. So 6y equals to 2x. So x equals to 3y. Now we are given fifth question in the MCQ form that area of triangle is (35 square units) and the 3 points are given 2 minus 6, 5, 4 and k 4. Then find k. So now here area of triangle is given 35 units. So 1 by 2, 2 minus 6, 1, 5, 4, 1, k 4, 1 is equals to plus or minus 35. So 2 into 4 minus 4 minus minus plus 6 into 5 minus k plus 1 into 20 minus 4k equals to plus or minus 70. To multiply that side. So 2 into 0, 0 plus 30 minus 6k plus 20 minus 4k equals to plus or minus 70. So 50 minus 10k equals to plus or minus 70. All three are multiple of 7. So it takes, so we divide by 10. Then 5 minus k equals to plus or minus 7. So 5 minus k equals to 7 or 5 minus k equals to minus 7. So minus k equals to, k equals to 5 minus 7 and k equals to 5 plus 7. So k equals to minus 2 or k equals to 12. But in here we have given k equals to minus, so minus 2 and 12.